Mousie, what are you doing here at the library? And why are you wearing that silly thing on your face?
What thing?
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh, my Facebook?
Mousie, if I told you once, I told you 1,000 times. That's not Facebook.
You see my face, don't you?
Mousie, let's not go through that again. And why are you wearing that at the library? The kids will be here soon.
Exactly. I want to remind them about the importance of sticking your face in a book.
But Mousie, you'll be the laughing stock. Everyone will be staring at you.
I hope so. Then I can sing my song.
Your what?
My song.
What song?
Stick your face in a book, in a book, in a book. Stick your face in a book and give a book a look. Hey!
You're not going to sing that.
Sure I am. Come on, sing along, Beany. Stick your face in a book, in a book, in a book. Stick your face in a book and give a book a look. Hey!